my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. For today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Alpha Lock in Procreate. So I'm going to use this yellow circle to demonstrate what Alpha Lock can do. So the first thing I want to do is demonstrate what happens when we don't use Alpha Lock. So I'm going to try and do some shading on here. And as you can see, my shading is going outside the boundaries of the circle, which makes everything look messy. So I'm going to delete this and we'll use Alpha Lock next. So the way to activate Alpha Lock is we'll go up here to layers and then we'll click on the yellow circle, which brings up an option list beside it. And we're going to click on Alpha Lock. Now if you look behind the yellow circle, you'll see a checkered board design. It means that Alpha Lock is turned on. So now if we go back to our canvas, we're now able to paint a clean result for our shading without going outside the boundaries of the yellow circle. With Alpha Lock on, even if I try to paint on the white areas outside of the circle, you can see that the shading isn't showing up on the outer area. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Chen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.